Hello everyone, I'm again in Varun's kitchen and today I'm making a Kashmiri pickle. And this is a Ganth Gobi or you can call it Kohlrabi. In English we call it Kohlrabi. We make slices like this and we also use the leaves. And again I put some green chilies. And this has been washed and blanched and put out only in the open air. There's no direct sunlight, only in shade, or you can even put it inside your room for 4-5 hours to dry out. And then here I have hot oil, which is mustard oil. So it has been preheated and left to cool for like 5 minutes. Now here I have hing and some garlic. The heat is switched off. The heat doesn't have to be on. So I have taken 2 full tablespoons of red chili powder. You can make it more if you like. 1.5 tablespoons of haldi. This is just 3/4 tablespoon of homemade garam masala. Again, this is optional, but I like to put it. And here I have mustard seeds and dhania. This is coriander seeds. Now I've roasted it a little bit. There's 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds. So all this spices will go into this now as it cools down a little. Not immediately. And everything goes into this now. When I was blanching the vegetables, I added some salt in the water. So I'm going to use much less salt now. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of salt. And when it's almost ready, you can see if you can need more, but I think it should be enough. So we just leave it like this overnight. It needs to be slightly cool before I add the vinegar. So here is the vinegar and I'm adding 3/4 cup. So approximately 1/4 of a cup per kilo. When I add the vinegar, this is also a preservative. And it's always a good idea to add it only when it's cool, not when it's hot. So this has been resting for 24 hours. This is the pickle we made yesterday. You know, I tasted it just now before I'm showing it to you. And I feel that I need to add some more salt and some red chili powder. You can always have little extra salt in pickles because it's a preservative. But less salt is more dangerous. So here's the salt, and I measured out 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, which is also going in. So I have preheated some mustard oil because I have to line this bottle. Just turn it around so all the sides get coated with the oil. So as we keep putting the pickle in, you have to press it down so that there are no air bubbles left inside. And this has to be sealed with a cling wrap because it has to rest for 4-5 days in a dark place, in a dark corner. And I'll have my daughter taste it now because this is my mother-in-law's recipe and her grandmother taught me. So she loves this.
And this is my favorite pickle. I love it when mom comes and makes it for me because I can devour it for the entire year. Spectacular. I mean, there's the right amount of chili in it, and it's not very oily. Of course, more mustard oil means that it's gonna last longer. But I love this flavor. It's just too good. Please do try it. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe from my mom, which she got from her mom-in-law. And I do hope you have already subscribed. If not, please hit that button right now. We'll see you very soon. Bye bye.